Hello everyone. So today we are here just to show you that there is a new job opportunity for all of you, and it is a very important job notification that has been published by IBM. So it's a great opportunity for freshers. Yes, there are so many freshers in India who are eagerly waiting for jobs in big companies. So IBM has published a new job for associate system engineer position, and it's a good opportunity for freshers to join in this company, as there is a lot of opportunity for the freshers to gain experience from this company. So they are giving the position of associate system engineer, so it is an entry level position, but there's a lot of things you can learn from this position. So as you can see that IBM has already published that, so locations will be based on their vacancy, and they will provide you the job location. So you have to be flexible if you want to do a job, or you might get the job in your location. That is also possible. So just as there is a briefing or introduction of their company, career in IBM consulting is rooted by long-term relationship, as you there is a chance that when you enter this company you may not leave, because there's lot of compensation and additional payouts they will provide. So but the thing is that you have to enter as a fresher. It is an opportunity for you, you have to work for it. But look at that, as a software developer role, that means you have to have the basic knowledge of softwares, that how to do some basic software. You will be able to understand when you enter in the industry and will work for the position of associate system engineer. There are a lot of senior members who may help you, but at the first step is that you have to enter. So as a software developer you have to participate in many aspects of the software development life cycle. As you have to know the basic software development life cycle, it is important, because when you enter the industry they will not teach you that what is the software development life cycle, right? You have to do that by your own. So it is better that you just do all the lessons before entering into the industry. That's important, such as design, code, implementation, testing, support. As actually if you do some basic project now, you will be able to understand that what are the steps in software development life cycle, which will help you to, when you go to the interview, the when the interviewer will ask you, you'll be able to say that those are the steps, those are the process you have to know, or you have done that. So you will create software that enables your clients hybrid cloud and AI journeys. As you know that this is important, that right now AI has been a very big factor in the IT industry. That's why you have to have the basic knowledge of IT knowledge as well, and the cloud knowledge. You will have the opportunity to work with latest technologies, ensuring that the application delivers are high performing, highly available and responsive and maintainable. As you all know that IBM has their product, right? That's why it is very much important that you know your basic, and after that you will be able to understand their products. That's what is important. As you will work for IBM, so you have to know their product, right? So analytical problem solving and solution enhancement, analyze, validate and purpose improvement to existing failures. Let's leave them that, but here is the comprehensive engagement across process phrases. Leave those things. Actually you have to be a bachelor's degree, you have to have the bachelor's degree. Okay, it is very much important. There is preferred, as there is written, BE or BTECH in computer science, all CS background, no matter in which uh, sector, which branch you are. If you are CSC, if you are AIML, data science, cloud computing, big data analysis, CSBS, IoT, robotics, AI, cyber security, blockchain, to name a few there. So if you have the science, computer science background or IT background with 6 CGPA or 60%, you will be able to sit for that particular exam. Okay, so as you all know that communication in English is required, written and spoken both. You have to practice that before going and go to the interview. Okay, engineering background, they are preferring problem solving is important, right? Good interpersonal skills is also required there. It is actually the basic requirement for all the companies, want that their employee will have those skills. Should be flexible to work from anywhere, especially in the IT industry. They require flexibility, in India, right? But the thing is that what you have to know, this is very much important, that when you'll go or apply for an interview, which things will be in your resume must be there, so that it can shortlist your resume, right? So programming, very much important, that you should have at least one programming language. You should know that. Yes, if you love Java it is okay, if you love C++ then it is okay, if you love Python then it is absolutely okay, and if it you love Node.js it is also okay. But let's comment in the section that which programming language you prefer, and I will obviously try to reply for that. So next, software development lifecycle concept, you have to know that how this from the start of the journey of a software planning to the end of the delivery part to the client, what other steps are there and what are the steps in between of the in the total development part, you have to know. And the thing is that you it is better that you do not have any active backlogs. You may have backlogs but they are not active, you have to have make sure that. So this is the entry level or on campus hiring position. Okay, uh, and candidates must be in their final year. If you are in the final year, opportunity for you. Okay, BTECH, as I have already discussed, that you have to prepare well. Right now you just go to the apply section, you fill all the forms. If the all the documents or all the informations are correct and they feel that your application is suitable for their company, they will mail you or contact you via different platforms. So it is an important one that you make your resume with the relevant job description. That is important. You show all the projects, all the skills what you have gained throughout your degree, and that's what is important. And try to do all the requirements fulfill is important. So that's all for today for this job description for the position of associate system engineer. Apply now, don't delay. Okay, thank you so much.